You think say they wise?
It's because of me that landlord lock the toilet. Because I don't used to flush toilet. That's why landlord, we have the right to no. But toilet na
Sorry, yo.
Hey. Landlord, better come and open this toilet before you will die, yo. Hey! I will give you only this night before you will die. Come and open this toilet, too.
Continue.
Because the gods want to shit. It's not even only me. Me and the gods, we want to shit. Come and open this toilet, too.
Will you keep quiet?
Don't worry. No. Oh! Landlord.
Photo.
Yeah, something is about to happen now in this yard. You see in this neighbor. You see in this yard, the owner of the yard is going to die. Someone must happen died today. Someone must happen and we die today. Don't worry. Someone is going to happen and die today. I still repeat it again. Because if landlord did not come and open this toilet, it should be me and landlord. How about you that toilet? Don't worry.
Something way bad for this shit. You be mumu, you call other people mumu.
Awesome, man.
They never show you say you be mumu.
Nonsense.
This man.
I'll flush it today. After we come inside, I don't used to flush toilet. You will not ask me when I even see me when I go and shit. Hey! Yeah, neighbor, I have finished going to the toilet and I have flushed it. What? How do you enter the toilet? How is it your concern?
You think say they
I have
wise?
finished and I have flushed it. Tell the landlord to come and open it for others, so it's not for me. Because me, I can go and shit even though you use the hammer to lock it. I can still go and shit. Tell him to come and open it too. It's for you people good though. Look at this is my
sorry,
people can come and take water and go to
May
toilet.
God not allow them, make them.